Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix messages failed to load on Discord. Chapter 1. Check Discord status. To start, in a browser, you can check the real-time status of Discord with the URL that we leave you in the description. This allows you to validate if it is active or not. Chapter 2. Mark Discord message as read. To get started, open Discord. There, right-click on the server where you see the error. In the drop-down menu, click Mark as read. Chapter 3. Validate internet connection. To get started, open Terminal as administrator from the Start Context menu. Run the ping command with the address to check to see if your computer has access to the network. Chapter 4. Access Discord again. To get started, open Discord. There, click on User Settings, then click Sign Out. Confirm this process. Now enter your email and password to log in again. Chapter 5. Restart Discord. To get started, close the Discord app. Now right-click on the charm on the taskbar. Select the Quit Discord option. Now from the search engine, open Discord to have access again. Close Discord from the taskbar charm. From the browser, open Discord. Chapter 6. Update Discord. You will be able to see that updates are being sought from the moment of opening. Wait for Discord to be open. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 7. Clear Discord cache. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click Run. There, execute the command you see on the screen. Now select the folders: Cache, Code Cache, GPU Cache. Then click Delete, wait for the process to finish. Finally, now open Discord. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.